Hi, I'm Jerry Dill at Dill's Greenhouse. We grow about 80 varieties of tomatoes. We put them in alphabetical order. We also have a nice little sheet that you can look at that tells you a lot of the things about your tomatoes. First thing is, are they disease resistant? People have been having a lot of trouble the last few years, especially on rainy years like last year, with a disease called early blight, and also some other things. So the chart will tell you which ones are more resistant. One thing I'll say in general is all the heirloom varieties have no resistance. So if you're having trouble with your tomatoes, I probably wouldn't grow very many heirlooms. But we have them in alphabetical order as we go down there. Abe Lincoln's the first one. We got Better Boy. Here's some cherry tomatoes. But basically we do this for our customers, and we don't always have everything on our sheet in stock. It's just impossible to do. We never know what people are going to buy. Maybe we'll have some trouble with some of the germination on some of them. Also, the sheet will give you the size of the tomatoes and whether they're determinate or indeterminate. Now, a determinate tomato, most tomatoes are indeterminate. They just keep growing all the time. That means indeterminate. They just keep getting bigger and they keep producing. A determinate tomato is a tomato that produces real heavy at one time. It'd be like what they would grow in the fields to produce juice and things like that when they're going to pick the tomatoes. So it tells you that also. The nice thing about the determinate ones, though, they don't get as big. So if you have a space problem, sometimes you might want to do a determinate tomato. So we have all that information here. We always have a staff here who can help you with them. Whether they're a cherry tomato, whether they're heirloom tomato, whether they're an orange tomato, a yellow tomato, we can help you with them.